My name is Dale Witmer, Regional Maintenance Manager for Piedmont Airlines. So I've been working for Piedmont for 31 years. Started as an aircraft mechanic, was a lead mechanic, a training instructor, supervisor, managers of a couple different departments, and now a regional manager. So really I have a lot to be thankful for. They really gave me an opportunity to learn about aircraft. We have a lot of mechanics that have graduated from AIM and have really made Piedmont what it is in Philadelphia. They really pull together and help each other out. AIM has been great for us, and let's continue that relationship. There's a lot that's taught in school, but there's still a lot that needs to be learned. So someone who is excited about working on aircraft and comes in with that willingness to learn, obviously you can be a great aircraft technician. If you're thinking about a career in aviation and being an aircraft mechanic, I'd visit AIM and then say, hey, I heard you're a partnership with Piedmont. Can I get a tour at Piedmont's facility? We'd be happy to give people a tour here. We need aircraft mechanics. We need technicians. It's a great career. So if we have a chance to show people that, I would love to have that opportunity.